Hi guys, we're going to make chicken salad for my kids for lunch. Watch how easy it is with Thrive. I'm going to open my can of chopped chicken. Grapes. Who doesn't love grapes in their chicken? The chicken salad is actually on the can of the chicken, but I just throw and go. So I put that in there. It's not swimming in it, but it's covering everything. Okay, we have Kyler here. He's going to help us stir it all up together. This is what our chicken salad looks like. It smells already like chicken and onions. It's going to be delicious. So now I just add whatever condiments you would normally add. Okay, here's what the chicken salad looks like. Now I'm just going to let that sit for a minute. Now, do you guys want to see what it takes to make chicken salad the traditional way? Stay tuned.